welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Today I am making a mango salad. First thing that you do is you remove the top portion. Perfect. And then you peel it. Okay, so once it's peeled, you wash it and then you can dice it up. Okay, so what I like to do is dice it into cubes, and then we'll do that for the entire mango. Perfect. So once you dice it up, put it in your bowl, your favorite bowl, I should say. Wash your hands. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is take your salt, put it in there, however much salt that you want, and then we'll put our lime juice as well in there. Okay. Perfect. Just a little bit, and then what you want to do is add some ground chili powder, and this is just for a little kick if you would like. I like mine a little bit more chili, a little bit more spicy. So this is it. With the lime and the salt, it gives it a nice little I guess a little sour taste, but then with the chili it gives it a nice like little kick to it, I guess. So this is it. This is my favorite way of doing my mango. There are other ways, but try this one and let me know how you think of it. So again, click that subscribe button for me, and do like and comment again if you do like this and if you do try it out. Thank you.